Let us solve a question on elasticity of supply. Calculate price elasticity of supply at $10 when supply function is Q is equal to 20 plus 2P. Q denotes the quantity supplied and P is the price. Okay. So first let's write the formula for elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply is being given by, that is, dq upon dp into P upon Q. This is the formula for elasticity of supply. Now this dq upon dp is nothing but the derivative of this supply function with respect to price. Okay, that means first we need to take derivative of this function with respect to price. Let me write it here. So dq upon dp is equal to, so taking derivative of this supply function, now the derivative of a constant is always 0. Okay, then the derivative of p will be 1, so we are left with 2 only. Okay, simple thing. How is the derivative of p only 1? So we have, let us say we have q is equal to p, then dq upon dp. So how is it equal to 1? Let me explain it here. So first of all, we can write p as p to the power 1. Okay, when the exponent is 1, we usually don't write. Okay, so I can write it here like this, p to the power 1. Then we use power function rule. But what does the power function rule of differentiation tell us? It simply says if we have x to the power n, let us say if we want to take derivative of this x to the power n with respect to x, then derivative simply this exponent becomes coefficient, so we have n as coefficient of x, and this exponent is subtracted by 1, that is n minus 1. Using same rule here, so we have p to the power 1, it will become, this 1 will become coefficient, then we have p, this 1 will be exponent will be subtracted by 1, so this becomes 1 into p is p only, so 1 minus 1 so is 0, so we have p to the power 0. We know anything raised power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, by anything I don't mean 0 raised power 0, that is undefined. Okay, anything except 0. Okay, so anything raised power 0 is equal to 1, so the derivative of this p is equal to 1. Okay, so it was a bonus point. Now coming to the question, so we calculated this. Now we are being told p is equal to 10. Okay, also we are being told p is equal to $10. Okay, if p is equal to 10, what will be q? Let's calculate q. Then q will be equal to, just plug p is equal to 10 in this equation, so we have 20 plus 2, the value of p is 10, so I can write here 10, so this becomes 20, and this is 20 plus 20, so which comes out to be 40, so our q is equal to 40. So we got all the things here to calculate the elasticity of supply. We have dq upon dp as 2, p and q are 10 and 40, so then elasticity of supply is equal to dq upon dp into p upon q. Okay, so dq upon dp, we calculated this came out to be 2 here. Okay, so let me write it here. It is 2 into, what is our p? P is 10, and what is q? Q is 40, so this comes out to be 2 tens are 20 upon 40, so this is we can calculate it like this, so 20 upon 40 will become 1 upon 2, which comes out to be 0.5. so elasticity of supply came out to be 0.5. Now how do we interpret it? It simply says if price increases by 1%, quantity supplied will also increase by 1%, and vice versa. If price decrease by 1%, quantity supplied will also decrease by 1%, because there is positive relationship between quantity demanded and price in case of supply. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.